हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू गुरवरिया एकेडमी। दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में हम आपके सेकंड यूनिट में से लास्ट चैप्टर दैट इज सिक्स्थ चैप्टर द पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट का वर्कशॉप देखने वाले हैं। Here we have given a circle and in that we have given the points related to the drama, that is related to the letter. Here we have given some we have to understand it or we have to write about it. Sender's address, live dialogue, salutation, list of characters, lead line, stage scene and props, action and costumes. Answer. Lead line is a feature of a news report. Salutation and sender's address are features of the letter and the diagram is the feature of information transfer. Here we complete the first question. Now move towards the second question. Choose the proper alternative to complete the following. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ fill in the blanks दी है, उन्हें फिल करने के लिए हमें कुछ अल्टरनेटिव्स दिए हैं, ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, उनमें से सही ऑप्शन चूज करके हमें ब्लैंक्स फिल अप करने हैं एंड वी विल डू इट। So first the skit covers a period of about in the dash dash. Answer C 5000 years. Second, dash dash character from Nil's ancestral lineage make an appearance in the play. Answer is option B 7. Third one, the task that all boys aboard was dash dash answer D making their beds. Next last one, the skit conveys that doing your daily chores at home dash dash answer inculcates a sense of responsibility. Here we complete the second question. Now move towards the third question. Fill the table. यहाँ पे हमें एक टेबल दिया है, उस टेबल में हमें बहुत सारी different kinds of things fill up करनी है, like period, way of the dressing, mother, boys costume, ladies costume, daily chores and games. So first of all, period is 1950s and 50s. The way of dressing a mother, mama. Boys costume, loose trouser and shirt. Ladies costume, silk sari. Daily chores, watering the garden, bringing the groceries, dusting the living room, cleaning the bicycle. And games, जो गेम्स 1950s में खेले जाते थे, लाइक उसे क्रिकेट कहिए कि मार्बल्स, यह सभी गेम्स टाइम खेले जाते थे। आफ्टरवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट टाइम पीरियड इज 1910। 1910 में वे ऑफ एड्रेसिंग टू मदर इज मम्मी। व्हाट द बॉयज कॉस्ट्यूम क्या है, कुर्ता पायजामा एंड कैप है। लेडीज कॉस्ट्यूम क्या है, 9 यार्ड साड़ी, नोज रिंग एंड ज्वेलरी। और डेली चोर्स क्या है, फेचिंग वाटर एंड फिलिंग अप पॉट्स, स्वीपिंग द टेरेस, कलेक्टिंग वुड फॉर द स्टोव, क्लीनिंग द ग्राइंडिंग स्टोन्स। एंड गेम्स क्या है, रिवर साइड विथ फ्रेंड्स। नेक्स्ट इज 80s। तो 80s में एड्रेसिंग टू मदर क्या होता था, मदर डियर। कॉस्ट्यूम ऑफ द बॉय, धोती कुर्ता एंड टर्बन। Costume of the mother, 9 yard sari and traditional jewelry. Daily works, washing clothes at the river and putting them to the dry up, chopping the wood, fixing the broken fence, taking to the goats to graze, and games are atta patta. Next is 15. So, addressing to mother, my dear mother. Costume of the boy, sleeveless V-neck top and dhoti. Mother's costume, 9 yard sari. Daily chores, milking the cows, taking them to graze, fetching vegetables from their farm and stacking them, sweeping both the backyard and the front yard. And the games are Ashtapada. Next, 1000. Addressing to mother, most revered mother. Costume of the boy, flare tunic and churidar, waistband and turban. Mother's costume, sari, upper garment and lots of jewelry. Daily chores, fetching water from the lake and pouring it into the farm channels to water their crop, clearing the blocked channels, pulling out wells, patching the mud walls with cracks. And games are puppet show. Next is 100 sin. Yes, E. तो उस जमाने में मम्मी को किस तरह से बुलाया जाता था, लाइक माता देवी। कॉस्ट्यूम ऑफ द बॉय, धोती एंड वेस्टबैंड विथ नो शर्ट। Mother's costume, sari and upper garment and beads jewelry. Daily chores, feed poultry tent, sheep, keep away birds, plaster the yard. And उस समय कौन से गेम्स थे, बाग चल। Next is 3000 BCE. Addressing to mother, I bow to thee. Clothes of the boy, a cloth around the waist held by a cord, long hair in a bun or a ponytail. Mother's costume, a sari well with stone and beads jewelry. Daily chores hunting down food for their family, helping his father carve. Here we complete the third question. Now move towards the question 4. Answer in your own words. आपको आपके खुद के words में answers लिखने हैं. First question. What excuses did Neil give to avoid cleaning his room? नील ने अपना खुद का कमरा साफ करने को अवॉइड करने के लिए कौन से रीजंस बताए? Answer. Neil told his mother that he had cleaned his room before 2 days and he did not want to clean it at that time. He had put the dishes in the dishwasher and wanted to go out to meet his friends. Afterwards, next question. Why does mother tell Neil about his grandpa? नील को उसके माँ ने ग्रैंडपा के बारे में क्या-क्या बताया? क्यों बताया? Answer. Neil's mother tells him about his grandpa because she wants to make him aware that his grandpa had more work than him and wants to teach him right habits so he will have a sense of responsibility. Next, what task did grandpa wish to avoid? तो grandpa को किस task को avoid करना था कि like grandpa किस टास्क को अवॉइड करने की विश रखते थे. आंसर. नील्स ग्रैंडपा विश टू अवॉइड द टास्क ऑफ मेकिंग हिज बेड. आफ्टरवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट वन. What did the ancestor from 1910 wish to do instead of making his bed? The ancestor from 1910 wished to go to the riverside with his friend instead of making his bed. Next question. How many chores did the ancestor from 18 how to do? जो 18 में से हमारे ancestor थे वो कौन से काम करते थे? Answer. The ancestor from 18 had to do many chores like washing the clothes at the river and putting them up to dry. He had to chop the wood, fix broken fence, and take the goats up to the hill to graze. Next one. How is the boy from 15 dressed? The boy from 15 is dressed in a loose sleeveless V-neck top and short dhoti. Next question. What chores did the boy from 1000 CE and 1st century CE do not their farms do on their farms and field? जो ancestor थे हमारे फर्स्ट सेंचुरी से तो वो हमारे फार्म में और फील्ड में क्या क्या काम करते थे? आंसर. द बॉय फ्रॉम 1000 CE fetch water from the lake, poured it in the farm channels to water their crop, cleared the block channels and pulled out weeds, and the boy from 1st century they kept the birds away for 4 hours in their field using a sling. Next and the last question. What did Neil realize from his encounter with his ancestor? तो नील ने जब उसके एंसेस्टर के बारे में सब जान लिया तो नील को क्या रियलाइज हुआ? Answer. Neil realized from his encounter with his ancestor that young teenage boy had many chores to do outdoors as well as in their homes. They had to make their beds too. Here we complete the fourth question. I hope आपको ये समझ में आए होंगे. Now we will be move towards the next question. Question fifth. In the play, two devices that make use of wheels are given. तो पैसेज में हमें व्हील से बनने वाले दो डिवाइसेस के नेम दिए गए हैं एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड इट. द डिवाइसेस आर. फर्स्ट इज बाइसिकल, सेकंड इज ग्राइंडर्स. फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट और अदर सोर्स ट्रेस द हिस्ट्री ऑफ यूज ऑफ व्हील एंड राइट एन ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ अ व्हील. हमें व्हील की ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखनी है एंड वी विल डू इट. आंसर. Hi, I'm a wheel. I feel so proud on myself for I am considered to be one of the most important of man's. My early form was a very simple wooden disc with a hole for the axle, but of course the place and time of my invention is unclear. Evidence of early usage of wheel cart has been found across the Middle East and Eastern Europe and China. It is said that my invention was the turning point in human civilization. I was used to numerous small wheels artifacts considered as children toys. I was as potter's wheel and water wheel. The spoke wheels was invented after that. As soon as I was perfected, there was a revolution in manufacturing industry. I am used in bicycle, cars, planes, skateboards and helicopters. I am also used to spin thread, generate wind and hydroelectric power. I help human beings to pull things and make work easy for them. We are often used in pairs, and many machines have wheels with teeth known as gears. I'm being used for everything and by everybody, and I like that. हमने यहाँ पे विल की जो ऑटोबायोग्राफी थी वो लिखने की कोशिश की है, आपको समझ में आई। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। इमेजिन दैट द एंसेस्टर फ्रॉम 19th century visits Neil in his dream. Compose a dialogue between the two about the various gadgets the visitor sees in Neil's room. तो आपको इमेजिन करना है, आपको कल्पना करना है कि 1910 सेंचुरी से नील को एक ड्रीम वहां पे नील के ड्रीम में एक 1910 सेंचुरी से एक एंसेस्टर आया एंड उन दोनों में नील के रूम में जो गैजेट्स थे उन उस बारे में डायलॉग हुआ और आपको वो डायलॉग कंपोज करना है। So we will do it. Answer. Neil sleeps and dreams that one old-fashioned clothes one boy enters in his room. 1910 boy. Hello Neil, how are you? Neil puzzled. Sorry, but I don't know you. Who are you? 1910 boy. I am your ancestor from 1910th century. Neil. Oh well, come home. 1910 boy. Thank you. Quite a mess. Your home looks so beautiful and strange. What are all these things? Which these are my equipments used to study and entertain. 1910s boy. Okay, what is in your hand that is shining? Neil, it's a mobile phone in my hand, which is used for many purposes like contacting people who are far away. 1910s boy. Really? That's great. Can we contact everyone? Neil, no, not to everyone, but one who would have another mobile phone. In 1910 boy, now I understand and what is a huge black and flat thing on the wall. No, Neil, it's TV and it is useful to watch live matches, plays, movies, and serials. Surprise! Oh, I see. Here are many modern things which we didn't have. Yes, and you are being fascinated by them. 1910s boy. Absolutely. One more question. Why I am feeling so cool even if it is hot outside? Neil, it is because that AC which gives us cool air inside the room. 1910s boy. It seems very nice. Overall, your era has made super progress and have made life quite luxurious, but you need to. And the alarm rings and break Neil's dream. Here we complete the sixth question. Now move towards the seventh question. Seventh question is very interesting and very funny. Imagine and compare an argumentative dialogue between the mothers of 20th and 21st century and those of the earlier era about which life was better for women. तो 20 सेंचुरी एंड 21st सेंचुरी में से दो मदर क्या कर रही है, क्वारल कर रही है। क्यों क्वारल कर रही है? क्योंकि उन दोनों को लगता है कि उन दोनों के सेंचुरीज में जो डिफरेंस है और उन दोनों के बीच जो कुछ भी जनरेशन गैप है, ईरा गैप है, वो बहुत अच्छा है। और उन दोनों को आपस में लगता है कि 21st सेंचुरी वाले मॉम को लगता है कि 20 वाले मॉम की लाइफ ज़्यादा अच्छी थी और 20 सेंचुरी के मॉम को लगता है कि 21st सेंचुरी वाली मॉम की लाइफ ज़्यादा बेटर है। And we have to make a conversation between them. The conversation is given here. Neha, hi Kalavati, how are you? Kalavati, hi Neha ji. I'm not so fine as you. Why are you saying so? You live in that age when there are not pollution, corruption, and many other problems that I face in our century. Kalavati, yes, there are not such problems, but there are other problems like child marriage, sati pratha, dowry, illiteracy, etc. I have faced many of them. Neha, I think your life is better than me. You got the chance to learn, to marry with whom you love, to work outside the home, to earn for your family. Yeah, it looks better, but it is not. I have to work inside as well as outside the house. It is really tough to work both places. You just have to do household works or chores. Kalavati, so you mean household chores are so easy? Household work is so much in our century. We have to spend whole day to finish them. We don't have machines to do work like you have in this age. Your life seems to be more luxurious than mine. Neha. Yes, but we don't get nutritious food as you get. Here we don't live as long as your people are. I think you are so lucky to live with joint family, big family. Avati, you are right that we are. We get good quality of food, but for what we have to do a lot of work in our farm. And to have joint family or big family means to have so much work. Your husband is so supportive, who help you in your work, unlike mine. Neha, okay, okay. Stop quarreling about whose life was better. The conclusion is each century has its own merits and demerits for us, Ravati. So, without comparing it with others, we should try to live it happily. So we complete the seventh question. Now move towards the eighth question. Question 8. Read the entry about voice in the language study pages. Note that the speeches of all the boys are in the active voice. Turn them into passive constructions. Here we have given some the dialogues of the boy and which are in active voice, and we have to change it in passive voice. For example, Neil, I put the dishes in the dishwasher. So this is active voice. Make it passive. Answer: dishes were put in the dishwasher. Next, 1950s boy, I have watered the garden. Active voice, we have to change it into passive voice. Answer: the garden has been watered by me. Next, brought home the groceries. Answer: groceries have been brought by me. After that, dusted the living room. The living room has been dusted by me. And lastly, cleaned my bicycle. My bicycle has been cleaned by me. Here we complete the eighth question. Now move towards the ninth question. Question number 9. Think of a suitable names for the boys from the earlier centuries. Earlier centuries में जो boys थे उनके नाम हमें यहाँ पे सोचकर लिखने हैं. In answer, suitable names of boys from earlier century. 1950s Vijay, 1910s Shivaji, 18s Jairam, 15s Paramjit, 1000 Purushottam, 100 से कृष्ण देवराया, 3000 BCE Ambrish. Here we complete the ninth question. Now move towards the 10th question, which is a group activity. You have to do this activity with your classmates with the help of your teacher. तो एक्टिविटी क्या है देखते हैं. फॉर्म ग्रुप्स ऑफ 5 to 8. आपको 5 to 8 स्टूडेंट्स का ग्रुप बनाना है. दैट ट्रांसलेट द प्ले इनटू योर मदर टंग और हिंदी एज अ एक्टिविटी इन द ट्रांसलेशन इन द क्लासरूम. आपको क्या करना है, आपका जो यह प्ले है इसको मदर टंग में, आपकी जो कुछ भी मदर टंग है, इट में भी मराठी और हिंदी, तो उसमें ट्रांसलेट करना है. और यह एक्ट आपको, यह ट्रांसलेशन आपको आपके क्लास के सामने इनैक्ट करना है. आप ट्रांसलेटर की मदद से जो स्किट है वो ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं और आपके क्लास के सामने रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. The last question from the workshop is read the story by the amulet by E. Nesbit. तो नेस्बिट की जो स्टोरी है वो आपको रीड करनी है. अभी यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में आपको रीड करने के लिए कहा है, तो आपको रीड करना ही पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे हमारा इस चैप्टर का जो वर्कशॉप था वो खत्म होता है. आई होप आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. अगर इसमें कोई भी डाउट हो, परेशानी हो, तो कमेंट कीजिए. इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जो अदर वीडियोस है वो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. बाजू में दिख रहे बेल आइकन पे प्रेस कीजिए, वहाँ पे ऑल कीजिए, ताकि आपको वीडियो के बारे में सभी नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे. तो इसी तरह से सभी सब्जेक्ट के सभी क्लास के वीडियोस एक ही जगह पे देखने के लिए प्ले स्टोर पे जाइए, गुरुवरिया अकेडमी सर्च कीजिए और हमारा यह एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कीजिए. यह एप्लीकेशन सबके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है. एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, परेशानी हो, तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर मैसेज कीजिए, ताकि हमारी टीम आपको एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करने में मदद कर सके. इस एप्लीकेशन की लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलती है. वहां पे भी जाके आप यह एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. हमारे कुछ सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स हैं, उनके भी लिंक्स आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलते हैं. वहां पे भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं. तो इस एप्लीकेशन में हमने चैट सेक्शन दिया है, जिसके भीतर आप आपके सभी डाउट्स आपके जो अदर क्लासमेट्स हैं उनके साथ मिलकर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पे हमारे टीचर्स भी हैं, उनके साथ भी डिस्कस करके आप आपके सभी डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हैं. तो दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में हम यहीं पे रुकेंगे. जल्द ही मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में नए वीडियो के साथ, नए सेशन के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय दोस्तों, टेक केयर.